The fan and the heater will reserve 2 wires each. The same voltage for fan and heater connect in parallel to the power supply. 12伏24伏 fan uses DC. Red connects to 加 black connects 解 only for 12, 24伏 fan. 110伏 220伏 fan does not distinguish between in and L. Connect to power supply of the corresponding voltage to heat up. Do not use the heater underwater. Do not use the heater alone. Use it with the fan. Please choose the power supply that matches the rated voltage of the fan and heater.
Low power fan heater temperature test. These are 2 fan heaters for small space heating. Let's see how they heat up. Let's test the 300 watt heater. Heating for 1 minute, the temperature in the box can reach 48.8 degrees centigrade. Now let's look at the heating rate at 400 watt. You can see that in about 17 seconds, it has heated up to 48.8 degrees centigrade. The same heating for 1 minute, the temperature in the box increased by 60.4 degrees centigrade. The power of the fan heater determines the heating rate. The higher the power, the faster the heating. Please select as required.